Okay, we are done here. We are in beautiful Los Angeles, and we finished a really cool installation here. We have some fence panels on top of the wall. We have some fences on the sides here. We have a pedestrian gate with a keypad for entry, and we have a sliding gate going downhill here. And you can see that once we open this gate, it starts at about 6 foot here, but it travels up because of the slope, and it will end up with the high point at about 7.5 foot above ground. So the way we did this roller assembly here to combat that, we added a center bar here, and we placed our rollers down the center. So that way, when that bar travels all the way up, it's at the top of the rollers, and when that gate closes and travels down, it slowly goes down and travel to the bottom part of these rollers. And unlike others, when they do installations like this where they have a very high roller post which goes above the gate and drops like a U around it, and then when that gate is closed, that's just stuck in the middle of nowhere. Here, when that gate is closed, posts are in line with the gate and everything looks nice and lined up. So that's about it. Ron for Mulholland brand in Los Angeles with another beautiful, beautiful, beautiful installation. Thank you.